First, my ate is going to be opening the blind bag I gave her.
I have common, uncommon, rare, and legendary. So we have to be careful because you might cut it up there. So let's cut it here.
Open the you can get first. Try to find the you can get.
Wow. I got the number tag. 456. What else? I got legendary. What's this? Is this emerald?
The color for the legendary.
What's this? What's this?
Duck cheap.
Oh yeah, that is so small.
I want it to be space inside.
Okay, spacious. How about this one? What's this?
It's the Roblox logo.
Ooh. This is a Ender portal.
And there's
Nether pala. Nether. Nether
and
portal.
there's the old Roblox logo.
I have Dalgona. What else is this? I'm a pink soldier pala. He's so cute.
Soldier.
You made me a pink soldier.
Soldier.
What else can we get?
Shoulder.
Oh, it's red versus blue. Look. It's so small.
I want to be spacious, that's one. Meron
There's one more.
meron
What's this?
the old Roblox logo.
The old Roblox logo. This is the new Roblox logo. It's blue. What else? I think that's pretty much it. Nothing anymore. Okay, thank you. That's it, bye.
Don't forget to follow.
Okay, don't forget to follow.